Hello guys, ngayon ay nandito ako sa may ilog. Actually, sapa lang siya kasi maliit lang siya na sapa lang siyang tawag sa amin. At ngayon nakita nyo, makalat. Nag-stuck yung mga kahoy at hindi makaagos ng maayos yung tubig. So, malapit lang ito sa farm lang, sa gilid lang namin. Kaya pag bumabaha dito, medyo may kataasan talaga yung tubig. Kunting ulan lang sa bundok, mataas na yung tubig. At ngayon, susubukan kong linisin siya. Kaya lang nakakatakot kasi dahil baka may ahas ba. Lalo na yun, napakasukal na niya, no. Kaya nagsuot ako ng bota pants. Bota pants. Tama ba?
Oh yes.
So yan. Actually, nasimulan ko na siya kanina, yan, no. Nahakot ko na nahila ko na dito yung malalaking kahoy, tapos yun may naiakyat na din ako. So itutuloy ko lang ngayon itong iba, nakakatakot lang kasi baka may ahas biglang lumabas. So yan, nahanapan ko ng pwesto yung cellphone at ganitong outfit natin for today's video. Yan, diba? Kanina ang ganito yung tubig, hindi ako nababasa sa loob. Hindi nababasa yung loob. See, tuyo. Tuyo. Simulan na natin ulit. Go!
Engine starts to purr. Everything behind me is becoming just a blur. Got a full tank of gas and a promise of the sun. The weekend has started, the escaping has begun. I roll the windows down to feel the breeze. Sunglasses on, world is looking bright, leaving all the shadows and the worries of the night. The highway is stretching like a ribbon on the ground, leading to a paradise just waiting to be found. Radio is playing my favorite song. Speedometer is rising, steady and smooth. Nothing in the world that I need to prove. The road is calling me. Driving down the endless road today, chasing all the heavy clouds away. Wheels are turning, singing on the street, moving to the rhythm of the beat. I'm free to go exactly where I choose. Passing by the fields of green and gold, stories of the countryside are waiting to be told. A little roadside diner with the vintage neon sign. I think I'll stop for coffee, yeah, the weather is so fine. The waitress pours a cup and smiles at me. Back upon the asphalt, cruising in the lane, washing off the memory of the stress and of the rain. The mountains in the distance represent a higher goal. The driving is a medicine that's healing to my soul. Every mile is lighter than the last. The city is a memory fading behind. Peace is the only thing I wanna find. The journey is the prize. Driving down the endless road today, chasing all the heavy clouds away. Wheels are turning, singing on the street, moving to the rhythm of the beat. I'm free to go exactly where I
Medyo umaagos na. Ito yung linis na lang. Ito pa. Gilid ko na lang pa.
Motion and the rhythm and the rhyme. Tires humming on the painted line. Everything is gonna be just fine. I leave the map inside the glove box door. Now the air is salty, I can smell the ocean spray. Driving by the coast on this perfect holiday. The blue meets the blue in a line across the sky, watching all the seagulls as they lazily fly by. I slow it down to take the scenic route, convertible top down, letting in the light. Everything is vivid, everything is right. I see the surfers waiting for the perfect wave to ride. I feel the sense of freedom rising up inside. This is the life I always emphasize. The afternoon is golden, warm and sweet. Sand is blowing softly on the street. Oh, summer never ends. Driving down the endless road today, chasing all the heavy clouds away.
So yun guys, tingin ko okay naman na yung paglinis ko. Ayun siya, oh. So may mga naiwan pa, kaya lang kailangan ko munang unahin yung mga manok kasi tinatawag na nila ako. At gutom na yata sila. Babalikan ko na lang yan pag may time pa ako. At yun. So hanggang dito na lang ang aking vlog for today's video. Thank you. Yan. Susundo na nila ako. Shh! Ay! Max! Ito si Max at ito si Kobe.